Brain, the master of all organs, works tirelessly to make us what we are. Controlling the most essential of our living processes, it also governs our emotions. Let's dive into understanding the basic anatomy of this most beautiful organ. Weighing nearly 1.5 kilograms, this delicate organ is protected inside a bony cage called skull or cranium. Skull is lined inside by three membranes respectively, the thick dura mater and the two thin arachnoid and pia mater. There lies a potential space between arachnoid and pia. The arachnoid membrane pours in cerebrospinal fluid in the subarachnoid space, which works as a shock absorber when our head or back suffers any blunt trauma. Brain is chiefly divided from top to bottom into three regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain, which continues distally as the spinal cord. This regional division of brain is evident when you cut the brain midway upside down and look from medial side. Forebrain or prosencephalon has the largest structure in brain called cerebrum. Cerebrum has two hemispheres on each side, which are connected by a structure called corpus callosum, which is made up of nerve fibers connecting both cerebral hemispheres. The superficial region of cerebrum, called cerebral cortex, has many ups and downs, otherwise known as gyri and sulci respectively. This cortex is termed grey matter since it appears grey due to neuronal cell bodies lying here. The nerve fibers originating from the cell bodies are ensheathed by myelin, making the subcortical area appearing white, hence the name white matter. Cerebral cortex has areas assessing sensory inputs and giving motor outputs, which are conveyed to and fro via white matter bundles. Cerebrum has been divided into four lobes: frontal, temporal, parietal, and occipital. The other region of forebrain, called diencephalon, has thalamus, which serves as coordinating center for sensory and motor signaling. Hypothalamus, which apart from controlling our body temperature, oversees the hormonal balance in the body via pituitary gland. Pineal gland, which governs our sleep-wake cycle. Different regions of forebrain come together to form limbic system responsible for our emotions, motivation, and sexual behavior. The midbrain is formed by three main structures: the foot of the cerebrum, called the cerebral peduncle, the four elevated bodies, called corpora quadrigemina, and a canal dividing the two structures, called as cerebral aqueduct. The hindbrain comprises of three structures. The cerebellum or little brain is similar to the cerebrum with its two hemispheres and highly folded surface. It is associated with regulation and coordination of movement, posture, and balance. The other two structures form the brain stem. Pons serves as a bridge between various parts of the nervous system, including the cerebellum and cerebrum. Medulla is the center for respiration, cardiovascular reflexes, and gastric secretions. This forms the inferior limit of the brain, which continues into the spinal cord. This is all about the basic anatomy of brain. Stay tuned in the next video. Keep studying and best wishes.